So what is learnership? Think of learnership in the same way as you think of craftsmanship. It denotes a skillful act. We've got many skillful teachers that have been honing their craft for many years, but students don't always hold up their side of the bargain. Teachers give students carefully formatted formative feedback, only to have students ignore it. They set challenging tasks, only to have students take the easy option. And sometimes we feel like we're dragging students through the learning process as they take no ownership and no responsibility for how they engage in the learning process. I'm so excited to be partnering with the Principals Academy in Singapore to deliver 2 4-day learnership intensives, where we're going to focus on the skill of learning and how we help students engage in that learning process in a skillful way. Next to this video, there's a link to a full description of the 4-day course and the outcomes that you'll receive. I'm so excited to have this opportunity to work with you in November to help you develop the skill of learning in your students. I hope to see you there.